Hey guys, welcome back to the Winston family. Today I'm going to show you how I make some rice and pigeon peas, which is rice and gandules. So what you need for this recipe is going to be 4 cut up small of chorizo sausage. You'll need adobo, garlic powder, 2 cups of long grain rice, some vegetable oil, tomato sauce, you need some sofrito, of course pigeon peas, 3 packets of sazon, and then this. Alright, so let's get started. Sorry guys, almost forgot, you also need some olives as well. So we have 4 of these sausages that I'm going to cut up in small pieces. And then after I do that, I'll show you what the next step is. Guys, so I have all the sausage cut up in small pieces, as you can tell. And let's get over to the pan and let's start this rice. So here guys, I added about 1/4 cup of oil, and I'm gonna let that heat up, and then we're gonna add the next ingredients. Alright, this guys is going to be the next ingredients. This is going to be the sofrito, and I'm gonna add about that much into the hot pan of oil. Alright guys, so you want this to get nice and hot. Once it's nice and hot, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, as you guys can see, it's simmering. So we're going to go ahead and add the sausages. Mix all this up. Nice and flavored. And then we're going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and add some more ingredients. Guys, that's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. See, it's come to a little bit of a sizzle. So we're going to add our 3 packages of sazon. That together. And then we're going to add our adobo. And the garlic powder. And we'll mix all that together. Now for the next one. Now for the next ingredients. Alright guys, now we're going to add the can of pigeon peas. Now you don't want to drain them. We'll just pour it all in there. So that's 1 can of Goya pigeon peas. We're going to mix that all together as well. That's what it's starting to look like. We're going to let that come to a boil a little bit. And you know what? Maybe I should just add, hold on, my half a can of tomato sauce. Just a half a can. And that's it. And then we're going to do a handful of olives. So we added all the olives, the half a can of tomato sauce, the adobo, sazon, I'm going to mix this all together. I forgot one more thing I didn't add. Forgot my packet. So we're going to add that now. This is just a fast, easy way to make Spanish rice, guys. And again, you can make it how you like it. You don't have to follow this recipe. This is the way I like it. So I figured I would share it with you guys. So we're just going to let that simmer. I'm going to put a top on it until it comes to a boil. And then we'll go ahead and add our rice. And along with the rice, guys, as you can see, I am boiling myself some ribs. So I'm also going to show you how I make them quick and easy as well. And I've been boiling these for about 45 minutes now. Okay, guys, so I took the ribs out, and now I'm going to season them. I have some sazon there, some adobo, some pepper, some garlic powder, some Mrs. Dash, and good old sweet baby Ray's. So I'll show you once I season them. In the ribs, and now I'm going to put them in this bowl here, and then mix them up with sweet baby Ray's. Alright guys, they're all seasoned with barbecue sauce, and now I'm going to place them in the oven on 350, and we will come back and check them. But in the meantime, let's get back to this rice. Right, as you guys can see, it has came to a nice boil. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. So that was 2 cups of long grain rice that I added to that. And then we're going to add about 3.5 cups of water. Go ahead and mix this all together, and then we'll add the water. Get all the flavoring in the rice before I add it. There we go. Doesn't that look good? If only you guys could smell it. As we got 2 cups of water here, I'm going to pour in there, and then I'm going to add another 1.5 cups of water. Here you guys go, another 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to mix that around, and then I'm going to put the top on it and let it cook. And we'll be back. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I just took the top off, and this is what it looks like. So the water is absorbing. You do not mix it. You let it cook, and just let it cook. And we'll come back and we'll check it in a little while and see what our progress is. Alright guys, the rice is done. Voila. How does that look? So, the ribs are done as well. I'll make our plate, and then I'll let you see how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know down below if you try this recipe and how you like it.